The Toyota Corolla has earned its place as one of the most beloved compact cars across the globe. From its sleek design to its excellent fuel efficiency, this car offers a blend of reliability, comfort, and modern technology that makes it a top choice for drivers everywhere. But what exactly sets it apart from the competition? Whether you're looking for a dependable daily driver or a stylish ride with all the latest features, the Corolla has something for everyone. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 features that make the Toyota Corolla a compact favorite. Let's get started. 10. Efficient performance. At number 10, we have the Toyota Corolla's impressive performance efficiency. One of the key reasons for its popularity is its fuel economy. The Corolla's engineering is designed to balance power and efficiency, providing a smooth, reliable driving experience without excessive fuel consumption. The standard model comes with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering about 139 horsepower, which is perfect for daily commuting. For those looking for a bit more power, there's also the option of a 2.0-liter engine that gives a boost without compromising efficiency. What's remarkable is that despite its efficient nature, the Corolla doesn't feel underpowered, a common issue with other compact cars. This combination of power and fuel economy makes it a smart choice for budget-conscious drivers who don't want to sacrifice performance. 9. Sleek and stylish design. Coming in at number 9 is the Corolla's sleek and stylish design. Over the years, Toyota has continuously updated the Corolla's look, ensuring it keeps up with modern design trends while maintaining its classic appeal. The exterior features sharp lines, a bold front grille, and aerodynamic contours that not only look great, but also enhance the vehicle's efficiency. Whether you're driving through busy city streets or parked in your driveway, the Corolla's design stands out. The sleek headlights and taillights add a touch of sophistication, and the overall design speaks of a car that's both sporty and elegant. This design doesn't just end on the outside. The interior is also well thought out, with a layout that combines comfort with practicality. 8. Advanced safety features. Safety is always a top priority, and at number 8, we highlight the Corolla's advanced safety features. Toyota has equipped the Corolla with the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 suite, which includes a range of features to keep drivers and passengers safe. This package comes standard across all models and includes features like a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and dynamic radar cruise control. Additionally, the Corolla features automatic high beams, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist, making it one of the safest cars in its class. The addition of these features, which are often optional extras in other vehicles, shows Toyota's commitment to providing comprehensive safety as a standard feature. Drivers can have peace of mind knowing that the Corolla is equipped to handle unexpected situations on the road. 7. Exceptional fuel efficiency. Coming in at number 7, the Toyota Corolla's exceptional fuel efficiency remains one of its biggest selling points. For decades, the Corolla has been known for its ability to travel long distances on a tank of fuel, making it an economical choice for drivers who commute frequently or take regular road trips. The 1.8-liter engine delivers an average of 38 miles per gallon, (mpg), while the hybrid model can push this figure even higher, reaching an impressive 53 mpg on the highway. This level of fuel efficiency means fewer stops at the gas station, translating to significant savings over time. In an era where fuel prices can fluctuate wildly, owning a car like the Corolla ensures that you get the most value for your money. 6. Comfortable and spacious interior. At number 6, we have the Corolla's comfortable and spacious interior. One might assume that a compact car would be cramped, but Toyota has cleverly designed the Corolla to maximize space. The cabin is spacious enough to comfortably seat 5 adults, with ample legroom and headroom even in the back seats. The seats themselves are designed for comfort, with high-quality materials that provide good support for long drives. Additionally, there are plenty of storage compartments throughout the cabin, making it easy to store personal items. The trunk space is also generous for a compact car, allowing for groceries, luggage, and more without feeling limited. This blend of comfort and practicality makes the Corolla an excellent choice for families and individuals alike. 5. Cutting-edge infotainment system. Next up, at number 5, is the Corolla's cutting-edge infotainment system. In today's digital age, connectivity is more important than ever, and Toyota ensures that drivers stay connected with their robust system. The Corolla comes standard with a 7-inch touchscreen, or an optional 8-inch upgrade on higher trims, offering easy access to features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. This means you can seamlessly integrate your smartphone with the car's system, allowing for hands-free calls, navigation, music streaming, and more. The user interface is intuitive and the screen is responsive, making it easy to use while on the go. Additionally, the vehicle offers USB ports and Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring that passengers can keep their devices charged and connected during long trips. 4. Reliable and low maintenance. Reliability is at the core of the Corolla's reputation, which brings us to number 4. Toyota has built the Corolla with durability in mind, ensuring that it remains reliable even after years of use. This car is known to run smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. Because of this, many drivers choose the Corolla as a long-term investment. Additionally, Toyota's extensive dealership network ensures that maintenance and repairs are straightforward, and parts are readily available. The Corolla's design and engineering mean fewer trips to the repair shop, and when repairs are necessary, they're often less expensive compared to other vehicles in its class. The car's dependability, coupled with low maintenance costs, makes it a go-to option for drivers looking for a worry-free ownership experience. 3. Versatile engine options. At number 3, the Corolla's versatile engine options deserve recognition. Toyota offers a range of engines, including a 1.8-liter engine, a 2.0-liter engine, and a hybrid powertrain. The standard 1.8-liter engine provides a balance of power and fuel economy, making it ideal for everyday driving. For those seeking a bit more power, the 2.0-liter engine delivers 169 horsepower, offering a more spirited driving experience without sacrificing too much on efficiency. And for drivers who prioritize fuel economy above all else, the hybrid variant is a game changer. It combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver outstanding fuel efficiency, making it a great choice for eco-conscious drivers. 2. Hybrid model's eco-friendly benefits. Coming in at number 2 is the eco-friendly benefits of the Corolla hybrid model. In recent years, more and more drivers are looking for vehicles that reduce their carbon footprint, and Toyota's hybrid technology makes this possible without compromising on performance. The Corolla hybrid boasts all the benefits of the standard model, but with even greater fuel efficiency and lower emissions. It can achieve an impressive 53 mpg, making it one of the most economical vehicles on the market. For those looking to save on fuel costs and contribute to a cleaner environment, the Corolla hybrid is a clear winner. Additionally, the hybrid model's battery is designed to last, providing years of efficient driving without the need for frequent replacements. 1. Affordability and value for money. Finally, at number 1, we have the Corolla's unbeatable affordability and value for money. One of the reasons why the Corolla has remained a bestseller is its ability to provide high-quality features at a price that won't break the bank. Starting at a competitive base price, the Corolla offers an impressive array of features as standard, which would be considered premium add-ons in many other cars. From safety features to connectivity, the Corolla ensures that drivers don't have to compromise to stay within budget. The low cost of ownership, including fuel efficiency, reliability, and low maintenance, means that the Corolla offers excellent value, making it a smart investment for anyone seeking a dependable and stylish car. The Toyota Corolla has truly earned its place as a compact favorite, thanks to its blend of efficiency, style, safety, and affordability. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a family looking for a reliable car, the Corolla has something to offer everyone. Its modern design, advanced technology, and excellent fuel economy make it a standout in its class. If you're thinking of buying a new car, the Corolla might just be the perfect choice. We hope this list has helped you understand why this iconic car continues to win over drivers worldwide. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive insights and reviews. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.